Good morning, sir. My name is Tajul. I am from Rail Analysis. First of all, I would like to welcome you here in the 16th International Railway Equipment Exhibition held here in Bharat Mandapam. Can you please tell us your name and designation and few words about your company?
Okay, my name is Krishna Kumar. I am Senior Manager Marketing from Mipalloy Private Limited. Mipalloy Private Limited is a copper alloy manufacturer for the short circuit rings and rotor bar which is used in the traction motors for railways. We also manufacture MIG welding contact tips and TIG welding electrodes which is used in the fabrication of coaches, rolling stock. So you can see our short circuit ring and the rotor bar. This is one of our mainstay products in Mipalloy, and this is one of the major share amongst all our product lines. And we supply almost 500 sets of this particular short circuit ring rotor bar for the Indian Railways. And we have developed now the stamping rings, which is the new mainstay now for the Indian Railways. This is the new development which is under approval, and beyond that you can see the MIG welding contact tips which is used in the fabrication, where we supply to companies like BEML, to Integral Coach Factory, Rail Coach Factory and Modern Coach Factory. So we are also honored that we have been able to export these products to companies, MNC companies like Wabtec, Alstom, Siemens and many other divisions. So apart from these products for the railways, we also manufacture the resistance welding electrodes for the automobile industry, which we supply to companies like Maruti Suzuki, Toyota, Hyundai and Mahindra and Tata. We also manufacture the electrical contacts for the high voltage and medium voltage, which supplies to companies like CG Global, Siemens, ABB and Hyosung. And we also manufacture the continuous casting mold plates, which is an import substitution which was imported previously into India. We supply that to companies like Tata Steel, JSW Steel, SAIL Group and ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel.
Are you also looking for the export to the international market, as India has a great opportunity now?
Yes, we are looking at. So this expo has helped us in a big way because we've got to meet people whom otherwise we cannot meet directly. So a lot of guests from other countries have come down here, and we had an opportunity to interact with them, explain about our products, and they were surprised that a company in India is manufacturing all these products, and it makes it easy for building the ecosystem for making the metro and the high-speed trains in India, since the ecosystem for manufacturing the sub-assemblies are already available in India. So we are looking to export. We are already exporting to more than 50 countries now, and we export to all the developed nations like Europe, US and many other countries. So after this expo, we are looking forward to increase the market share in the export business.
That's wonderful. So how has Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Vande Bharat trains, initiatives by the government motivated the manufacturing sector?
See, maybe 15-20 years back, most of the components were imported directly into India and there was no local manufacturing for that. But now, after seeing all these manufacturing expos in the manufacturing facilities that are coming up in the expo, it's good to know that now we have an opportunity to manufacture every part in India itself. And that gives an opportunity for all the small and medium engineering companies, SMEs and MSMEs, to set up the sub-assembly units to support these manufacturers. So when companies like Alstom and Siemens and Wabtec and ABB and all these companies set up their manufacturing units, they know that the components for their parts are supplied by the small and medium companies which are already there in India. So this expo has been a good way to support this initiative.
That's wonderful. So we are also hosting our 7th Rail Metro Expo here in Bharat Mandapam next year in April. So would you like to participate in that event also?
Yeah, definitely. I'm looking forward to participation in that. And this expo has been very good for us. And I'm hoping that the last expo I missed out. I was not able to. But this was a real good one. And you know that India infrastructure is growing with the metro coming up in all Tier 1, Tier 2, all cities now. So this metro coach building has lot of engineering supply requirements, which is a good thing for companies like ours. So we look forward to that expo also.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Wishing you and your family a very happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali to you, ma'am.